Hey guys, how are you all? I Aishwarya and welcome to my channel. So today we are gonna make these cute earrings which doesn't look like handmade at all, and they are very classy and very easy to make. It's just that it takes a little time because we have to dry this up and we have to join these all beads together. So it's just that it takes a little time, but they are very easy to make. So I hope that you'll enjoy this tutorial and will definitely try to make these earrings at home. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up. And for all, I have a request that I'm really trying to grow out my family on this channel. And soon we are gonna be a family of 1,000 subscribers. I'm so happy for that, and I wish that you should also be the part of that family. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, just press the subscribe button and also press the bell notification. It costs you nothing but means a lot to me, and it is helping me in growing out my channel. So do hit the subscribe button so that we can also meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making videos like this in the future. And now, without wasting time, let's get started. So let's make these cute earrings. For that, I have taken this transparent sheet and on this we will stick the stuff. So first we'll take the chain of this pearl. So I have taken the pearl in small size and we'll add this. So I'll take the B7000 glue. You can also take the Fevibond glue also for this because this sticks faster and they are much better. So you can take this and just apply the stick. And this is just the game of layering the different materials, like sometimes pearl bead chain or sometimes golden bead chain, and then we had added kundans in round size or in leaf size. So we just have to make this arrangements and just have to stick them properly. So in the same way we'll apply this all the material. So let's quickly do that. So guys, again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do hit the subscribe button. I am really thrilled to see that we are soon gonna be a family of 1k subscribers, and we'll just do celebration for this. So now we'll add this golden bead chain. So we'll cover these pearls with this golden bead chain like totally. So I had applied the glue to all of the side, and then we will apply this golden bead chain to this. And I especially like to make pearl jewelry a lot. You can see that's why I have a lot of pearl jewelry videos on my channel about necklace or earrings or any other type like ring or thing. You can see on my feed. So if you want to make something in pearl jewelry, you can definitely go and check it out. And I also want to know, did you like my celebrity inspired jewelry series? I have just added 2-3 videos in that, but if you can give me feedback, it will be very easy for me. So this happens like your kundan will fall away or something while adding it. So that's totally fine, and it's the fun of jewelry making. So we have to add this kundans in the half size also, not in the full. Then we have taken this leaf size kundan and then just apply it to all over this round. And do let me know what kind of jewelry you like a lot. Like, do you like to wear this kind of jewelry or oxidize or something? Then we will flip this side and we are gonna add this jump ring so that we can add this our pearls to that. So again, the game of BC7000 glue. So I have taken this glue and we are gonna add 8 ones. So 8 eye pins. So I have added it. I added like so 1 in the middle and 4 sideways. So I have added the glue accordingly, and then we'll add this jump ring. So jump rings are in a bigger size, but I have cut it in a half size of this because our earring is not that much big. So I have added it like this. So you can see this is how it looks, and then I had added the back finishing fabric also. Now we'll make this down part, which is this tassel, so which is the most time consuming part, but if you enjoy jewelry making, you will definitely enjoy it. So take a 30 gauge wire and add 0 size pearl bead in that and just lock it, And then I have taken this oval shape pearl, so teardrop shape pearl, sorry, a teardrop shape pearl. So add the pearl, and then again add this zero size pearl, and then teardrop pearl, and in the same way we will add. So I have added up almost uh, five pearls in the first chain. So and then we will wrap it to the last end. So then in the next one we will add 6, in the next one we will add 7, in the mid one we will add 8. So in this way we will add 6, 7, 8, 9 pearls, like that. So we have to do accordingly. Now we will add the upper part. So for that I have taken this kundan, and we'll just add this earring stud with the help of this glue. This is easily available in the hardware store. Then take one eye pin, open this eye pin and add this eye pin in the upper side where we had attached it earlier. Then again close this loop very easily. Then we will add this diamond bead over here. If you don't have diamond bead, you can take the pearl bead also or golden bead also, as we are already using them. So and these are also easily available in the market. And then cut the extra part from these, and this make a little loop with the help of plier, and then this one we are gonna add in our kundan stud. So this is how it will look. So yeah, that's it. These cute earrings are ready. Didn't I say this is very easy to make? So yeah, so do carefully follow all the instructions and do try to make these earrings at home. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up. See you soon in the next video. Till then, this is Aishwarya signing off.